Hey guys, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your billing alarm using CloudWatch. So CloudWatch is used to track billing so you can monitor your AWS costs in near real time and you get alerts when spending increases. It helps you to catch unexpected cost spikes early and take action before the bills gets too high. So if you don't use CloudWatch, you won't get alerts and you will only see the charges later in billing console. This can lead to surprise bills, delay response to misconfigured resources, and higher costs. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your billing alarm using CloudWatch. So let's get started. So I'm going to go to billing cost management and scroll all the way to billing preference and just update here and just update this one. So make sure you update the AWS free trial alert. So after it gets updated, now you need to go to CloudWatch. So go to alarm and let's go and create an alarm. So we're going to select a matrix here. So we're going to go to billing. Okay. So we're going to type it here. Okay. So guys, as you see, this billing is not updating here. It's because you need to because it only works in uh, Va- Virginia region. It only works in US each one, so you're gonna change your region to Virginia, and then so after that, you need to go and select your matrix, and you can see the billing option. You just click this one, and you go to total estimated charge, and you select the USD dollars, and then you need to select the matrix, and let's keep it greater than equal to, and I'm going to keep it at $1 and okay, just go next and just click checking next and then proceed without actions. And let's go and create our alarm name as building. So let's go and click next. Let's go. Okay, let's go to notification here. And then we're gonna create a new topic. And I'm gonna give give my email address. Yeah, so I think this is good enough. So let's go next. Okay. You must finish creating this topic or select actions. So let's go and create a topic. Okay. So let's go and click next and go next and click next. And this is how we create our alarm. So if our services reach up to $1, so it's going to send a notification to our mail using SNS. So this is how we create this is how we create a building alarm. So I hope this video is really helpful for you. So if it is helpful, please do like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.